So good morning guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Kabal Is channel. Welcome po sa channel natin on how to make money online. And of course guys, pag-uusapan natin ngayon on how to make money online gamit lang isang mga different kind of sites. Na kailangan nyo lang gawin is mag-test po kayo. Hindi po test sa exam, hindi rin po test kung meron po kayong sakit, kundi sariling opinion lang gamit ang lingwahe na English. Okay, hindi po kailangan dito guys na sobrang galing nyo sa English. Ang kailangan dito is honestly tsaka natural lang na pagkakabase kung anong nakikita nyo sa mga image. Okay, so pag-uusapan na niya at the end of the video kung anong pwedeng gawin and how to make more money. Okay, so tips and suggestions at the end of the video, kaya wag kayong lalabas sa video guys para ma-inform ko po kayo. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kabal Is channel. Alright, sa tara guys. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon guys is user lyrics. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo lang dito is of course magte-test na po kayo. Okay, kagaya ng nakaraang video is ginawa natin yung user testing. Pinaka-original po dito guys is user testing. Yung nakaraang video na pinag-usapan natin kahapon. Okay, so at ito i-summarize ko po ang mga different kind of nagsisulputan ng mga companies kagaya ni user testing. Okay, so unang-unang pag-uusapan natin si Userlytics. Okay, so Userlytics guys is available po siya sa mobile, available din po sa desktop test. Okay, so usually naman lahat tayong mga Pilipino is ginagamit natin mobile test kasi yun yung pinaka-convenience, which is the best sa application na userlytics.com. Okay, so punta lang kayo dito sa website niya guys, and then meron na kayong makikita ang download Google Play, download Apple, and you're good to go. So kailangan nyo lang dito is verified people address, and of course microphone and browser program. Pwedeng Chrome, pwedeng Safari, and for some test front camera kailangan user analytics apps for Android. Okay, so sa Windows naman, sa computer, laptop, we have Mac. Okay, we have Windows 7 for PC or higher, standard browser as Chrome or Firefox, microphone. Okay, so microphone, kailangan yung mga headset with microphone, and of course webcam, user analytics recorder installed in your desktop. Okay, so ito po sariling website nila. Okay, so yun guys. Okay, so ang kailangan nyo gawin is the same sa user testing lang po. Okay, so they are part of different countries around the world. Pwede tayo maka-join dito. Okay, so ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is yun nga sinabi ko sa inyo is kailangan meron po kayong isang kumbaga nakita nyo yung screen to app kung saan magsasalita po kayo base sa mga nakikita nyo. Alright, so pinag-usapan natin mga tips and suggestions nung nakarang video sa pinaka-original na website user testing. So I recommend you guys to watch that video. Okay, so para malaman nyo kung anong mga kailangan sasabihin para makapasa po kayo sa mga sign up bonus, sign up application po dito. Okay, so registered is to earn money, and of course the second one is interact with the web or mobile app. Okay, so interact, kailangan nyo magsalita dito. Okay, so unang-una is pwede kayong umern ng $5 per test. So usually napaka lupit po yung mga test dito guys, mga short video test, and of course kailangan nyo lang magsalita. $10, $15, $20, okay, per test po yan. Okay, so of course pangalawang site naman is si Try My UI Tester. Okay, so Try My UI Tester guys, the same din siya, and meron silang mga sariling kumpanya o client na pinag minamarket. Alright, so different po siya ng mga company sa buong mundo. Okay, so lumulobo po yung mga ganitong site na to kasi ang daming mga kumpanyang nagsilputan. Kunyari, yung Amazon. Okay, so si Amazon is mag-launch naman siya ng isang bagong website. Okay, bagong website na kailangan nila i-develop. Okay, so in order sa Amazon na makakuha niya yung friendly user tips na galing sa mga totoong tao, kailangan mo lang dumaan ni Amazon dito sa Try My UI. Okay, mga different kind of testing, and dito po tayo para tulungan yan. Okay, so ang gagawin dito is talaga magsalita kayo kung base sa nakikita nyo. Alright, so we'll paid for $10 every test, and of course malaking bagay na yan guys for test. Okay, usually test $10. Okay, so per test po yan. Okay, wala po siyang kailangan i-consume na oras na madami, okay? Kasi usually test dito is consumable for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and depends sa'yo kung gaano kakabilis, okay? So, pangatlo is yung original, is user testing, okay? So, usually 20 minutes for $10, dito user testing. Pero lumulobo na po sa user testing, and nag-upgrade po siya every month, and of course, the payment, and since the other company sa buong mundo nakikilala na si user testing, of course, madami na po siyang client. Okay, so, alam po marami competition dito guys kasi medyo siya na original eh. Siya yung una-una. And of course, pinakita po sa inyo kung how to apply here, get web test, and of course, kailangan nyo lang ng verified email address. Alright, so, pang-apat na user testing friendly is user fill. Okay, so user fill guys is magbabayad po siya ng $10, okay, per 10 to 20 minutes, okay. So, meron po siyang mga requirements dito kung saan makikita nyo kung available po siya sa sarili nyo, kung fitable po kayo dito sa user fill tester. Okay, so dito po sa mga equipment gagamitin na user tester. Okay, so Windows 7 or newer, and microphone, of course, internal or laptops, and of course $2 will work on online selling. Okay, and of course use real name address for conducting test, and that is no. So ginawan ko po ng video yan na in every test po na kailangan yung magkakanda kasi magkakandak po kayo ng isang website. Alright, sasabihin nyo lang ko ng magiging reaction nyo doon, okay, base sa mga nakikita nyo. And of course, you don't need not to use the exact address na saan kayo. Kasi pwedeng gamitin yan pang fraud, and gagamitin yung pangalan nyo, and ikaw po yung magiging masama. Okay, so tracing po yan guys to protect your identity when it comes to online. Alright, so language dito is of course you will be sent test native language, sometimes in another language that you have set fluent spoken in your profile. You should never speak in language that you do not speak fluently. Okay, maganda po sa user testing. Kung magaling ka sa Tagalog, of course, bibigyan ka ng mga testing for Tagalog. Okay, magaling ka naman sa Spanish, bibigyan ka na sa Spanish. So, sa English, okay, usually English naman talaga dito guys. And what are the qualification tests need? The qualification test initial is a new tester to take online verify, and they have microphone, and of course, speak their thoughts, okay, while completing the task. Based on the qualification test receive first rating determined in often get usable test. There's no payment for the qualification test. Alright, so napaka legit at free po siyang gamitin guys kasi all you need to do is of course microphone, computer, laptop, and of course kailangan nyo ng internet connections. Mobile phone is preferable as well for other companies. Okay, so ang kailangan lang natin gawin dito is of course, magsalita kayo ng magsalita. No dead air. Okay, ginawan ko po siya ng mga tips and records and reviews sa pinaka-first user testing po na ginawa natin. Okay, so yung original, ginawan ko po ng last video nun, and mga tips on how to qualify into applying for any of this company. Okay, so screening questions, of course, here. Basahin na lang dito guys. And we do not want tester, just read what sites say. Okay, say everything is okay, so it's a big no and show how good they are easily fast completed the task. So yung pinakamabilis dito guys hindi pwede, and of course flatter the site. Okay, if flat mo yung site hindi po siya pwede then. Of course, scenario not perform required with the task, perform the task like an expert. Okay, so huwag po kayong mag-perform dito as you are an expert guys. Be natural. Okay, be natural in the sense that huwag po kayong magkakaroon ng dead air sa pagsasalita nyo. Huwag po kayong magiging expert sa 2 words sa mga nakikita nyo, kasi ito yung mga user testing is all they need to do is opinion ng masa, meaning to say sa mga iba't ibang tao na walang idea sa isang page na ipapakita sa kanila, kung anong masasabi nila base sa mga mata nakikita nila, yun lang po yung sasabihin. Okay, yun yung sinasabi na perform the test like an expert. Hindi po nila gusto yun. Okay, so we need a tester to perform required tasks according to scenario, speak loudly and clearly in the microphone, perform test. So napaka basic lang pong hinihingi nila guys. And lastly, And last one is, of course, meron po yung $10, PayPal po siya. And of course, what are the reasons for not getting paid for the test? Okay, meron po siya mga reasons dito and for not paying the test. Alright, what data should I give to myself when signing a tester? Okay, data like age, native language. Okay, hindi po siya, ano guys hindi po siya, kumbaga, survey. Hindi po siya survey. Testing po siya kasi meron po yung papakita ng mga page talaga sa in front of you, sa screen nyo, and then magsasalita po kayo, sariling voice nyo po. Kailangan kung sino yung nag-sign up ng account nyan, yan po yung magiging resulta ng sign up po dyan sa company. Okay? So, of course, meron pong how to become a tester, so you need to register and take the qualification test. Mag-i-email po siya, pag click nyo dito, mag-i-email po siya sa email nyo and you're good to go for the test. Okay? So, the last one is what user do. Okay? Get paid to the test website. The same din siya sa mga naunang mga test natin na binanggit. Alright? So, all you need to do is the same as well. Internet connections, laptop, and of course, here's the first and simple step: becoming a tester. Sign up, download screen recorder, and take time practice. So, yung screen recorder, minsan yung company guys walang sariling screen recorder. As long meron po tayong mga available free recorder dyan sa QuickTime o di kaya sa mga free recording dyan. Again, as long as klaro po yung sinasabi nyo. And of course, take the practice test and starting earn the money. Okay. So, ito po yung mga tips ko po sa inyo guys, kasi sa user testing ang dami na po talagang pumapasok dito kasi nagiging boom na po siya. Okay, so of course makikita natin yung how much payment in every test per month. Okay, so hindi po kasi siya guys, hindi po siya araw-araw. Alright, so every company have their own schedule, every company have their own limits. Okay, so pinakauna dito is hard work, consistency. Kailangan yung merong hard work dito, consistency. And ito yung mga tips na ibabahagi ko po sa inyo guys is, unang-una, the best tips that I could give to you is that, of course, kailangan nyo ng, of course, to set up the notification. Okay, i-set up nyo po ang notification nyo po sa profile nyo para ma-inform po kayo sa mga upcoming results, upcoming test, para kung i-click nyo yun, kayo yung mauna. So, the more faster you are aggressive here, the more money you've got. Because, of course, guys, ikaw yung nauna. Alright, so step 2, of course, we have also sign up for all the site for more tests. Okay, so isa-sign up nyo po yun dito, ang sariling name nyo, hindi kaya sa mga atin nyo, sasabihin nyo yung mga bagong pagkakitaan sa online. Alright, set up na natin yung mga sariling profile natin sa mga different sites na pinag-usapan natin, and you're good to go. So, enable nyo yung notifications, and of course, the last one, get more money. Alright, so guys, I hope that this I hope that this video inform you on how to make money online. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kabal is, and for more notification updates para ma-inform po kayo, click the turn bell on. Okay, so thank you.